Hellmann'S and Matty Matheson.
Deep, dark secrets. I have a few.
I'm sorry.
I know I sound angry. You're so delicious. I shouldn't have told you. I shouldn't have told you that one. Let me tell you something. Sometimes I over-order herbs. And guess what? I just throw them in a blender with you. And boom, a specialty sauce. I love you, man. You hold me together. You hold us together. No oily. There's only bright, creamy deliciousness. Do you think that's me? I'm not bright. I'm not delicious. You are. Kitchen confessions. It was one time. It was one time. I had to use another mayo. Don't worry. It was soggy. You're creamy. It was oily. You're thicky. What are you talking about? I'll never cheat on you again. I know actions are more than words. Why do you think I'm here with you? Why do you think I got a full shelf? Kitchen confessions. Brunch. Yeah, I hate it too. I know you did all the hard work already. I know you're my workhorse. I know all of our sauces are made and prepped and are completely unbreakable. I can keep them overnight, no problem. You make my life easier. I know I sound angry. I gotta go out there and do brunch. 600 orders of eggs any style. Who invented eggs any style? What is that? It's fear.